Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Power BI Fundamentals, Episode 2 of 14. You log in to a new business intelligence platform on your first day, and it feels like stepping into the cockpit of an airplane. There are dozens of menus, lists, and items with similar names, but you just need to find your team's key metrics without breaking anything. The solution is understanding the architecture of the Power BI service. The Power BI service is the web portal accessed at app.powerbi.com. When you log in, you land on the home screen. This page acts as a personalized jumping-off point, displaying your most frequently used and recently accessed items. But to truly navigate the system, you use the pane on the left side of the screen. The most critical concept in that navigation pane is the workspace. A workspace is a container. It holds your content. You have a personal container named My Workspace, which is strictly for your own private drafts and experiments. Do not use it for company metrics. For collaboration, you rely on shared workspaces. Think of a shared workspace as a secure project folder where a specific team stores its unified data assets. Inside a workspace, you will find several distinct types of items, and knowing how they stack together is how you make sense of the platform. The foundation of everything is the semantic model. You do not look at a semantic model to see charts or graphs. It is the underlying data structure, containing the tables, the relationships, and the calculations. It is the engine. Every number you see on a screen is being queried from a semantic model. Sitting on top of that engine is the visual layer, which usually takes the form of a report. Here is the key insight. People constantly use the words report and dashboard as if they mean the exact same thing. In Power BI, they are entirely different objects with different behaviors. A report is a multi-page, highly interactive document. It is tied to exactly one semantic model. When you open a report, you can click on charts to cross-filter other charts, use drop-down menus to slice the data, and navigate across different tabs at the bottom of the screen. Reports are built for deep exploration and detailed analysis. A dashboard is always a single page. It is a custom canvas where you pin individual visual elements, known as tiles, taken from various reports. Because you can pin tiles from anywhere, a single dashboard can combine data from multiple different semantic models into one high-level overview. You can't filter or slice data directly on a dashboard. If you click a tile, it acts as a shortcut, instantly dropping you into the underlying report where that specific chart originated. Dashboards are for quick, at-a-glance monitoring. Reports are for digging into the details. When a team finishes building their semantic models, reports, and dashboards in a workspace, they usually don't invite the whole company into that workspace to look around. Instead, they package the finished items into an app. In the Power BI service, an app is a compiled, read-only collection of workspace content. When a new employee needs to find their division's key performance indicators, they usually just click the Apps icon in the left navigation pane. Apps provide a clean, custom menu structure without exposing the raw workspace files to accidental edits. Understanding the ecosystem means understanding this hierarchy. If you want to know how a specific metric reached your screen, follow the chain backward. The app distributes the dashboard pulls visuals from the report visualizes the semantic model, and the semantic model lives in a shared workspace. That's all for this one. Thanks for listening and keep building.